Hey, it's Kathryn, your nutritionist and joyful living coach, coming to you from the Big Easy. We've stopped over here for a couple days, and man, have I been emotional. And I was really tapping into myself to figure out why I was being so emotional, but I couldn't release the feelings. So I used one of the tools that I use when I offer and teach my 3 Months to Thrive program to help you find more joy in your journey. I brought out my trusty journal, got my trusty journal out and started writing. 3 things happened. Number 1, my really good friend's fiance, he has cancer and very short time to live. Second thing that happened is my little boy, who's been with me forever, actually he's 31, not so little, he moved cross country to New Orleans. That's why we're here. And the third thing that happened is one of my great friends who's been married for 27 years, she's getting a divorce. Last person you'd ever think would get a divorce. And it started me thinking about what's my life like, but I really didn't know what was going on underneath. In order to figure out what's going on underneath, I grabbed my journal and I wrote. I wrote about 7 pages and just got those feelings out, but I still was feeling like, what is this all about? And my body wasn't feeling good. The aches and pains were still there. So I started doing my Fears to Loves exercise. And I teach this in depth in my 3 Months to Thrive program, but I wanted to share the short version with you. As I wrote, I discovered that it was about fear of what might happen to me. So I felt those fears, and then I closed my eyes and I breathed into my body and discovered where the fear was lodging in my body. It was my heart. So I held my heart and I breathed into my heart. I let that feeling of fear, I really had to feel it to heal it. I let that feeling of fear just feel. I pretended like it was a vortex, a spinning vortex. Spinning, breathing into it, and let that vortex dissipate. I felt those feelings until they'd gone from about a 10 down to about a 3. And then I took it a little bit deeper. What I did was I really took it deep by bringing love back into it. I remembered the feeling of pure, unadulterated love. I breathed that into my heart, and then I breathed it into my entire body for a couple more minutes. Man, it sure helped me feel better. Now, I can't say that this is the first time. I only had to do it once, and it was done, but it's a great tool for you to use. And if you want to learn more about what I do and the tools I use in my programs to help you transform your relationship, not only with food, with life, please go to my website at kathrynchess.com, KathrynChess.com.